How to use ChatGPT Study Mode and learn in a better way. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT and log into your account. Then, beside Ask Anything, you'll find a plus button. Simply click on the plus button and you'll find different options. Click on Study and Learn. After you've clicked on Study and Learn, it will turn into that mode. Then you can ask any topic as shown at the bottom. I have simply typed explain a topic. You can ask. It will teach you step by step. If you want to ask any equation, click on the plus button. After you click on the plus button, which is beside study, click on add photos and files. After you've done that, you can add image of your equation. Then press on open at the bottom. After you have done that, image will be added. Ask any question you want related to that. Then press on send. After that, it will answer you step by step. You can reply and learn in the same way. And this is how to use ChatGPT Study Mode and learn in a better way. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.